On today's video, it's going to be about duplicates and replaces. I already have the data frame all loaded up here. Cluster running. Now let's go straight to create a temporary table with the create or replace temp view, creating it with the name video games. Now let's write in SQL. We want to get distinct values from a certain table, video games in this case. So let's go select distinct and then start from video games. Go to node, select distinct. If we hit Shift Enter, we're gonna get here our data frame, as you guys can see it. This would be the way that we can get a select distinct and take all of the duplicates. Now let's go to replace. Select, and after I select, I want to replace. And then now we need to choose here which column we want to do a replace. For instance, we can use maybe publisher or year or release. Let's go with platform. So platform, and then I add a comma, and then I open quotation marks, and then inside of it you add you put the values that you want to be substituted or replaced. And then here I'm just replacing 4 by nothing, and I want to call this, just as a matter of demo, let me call it price. Very weird name. And then from video games. Shift Enter, and then once I run this, you guys can see here that I created just a column with essentially replacing a 4 for nothing. So if I found here a PS4, you guys will be able to see it. Let me select this first one here, and then with this one I can copy and then bring it over here, creating my new df video game SQL using the Spark SQL command that we learned from the previous videos, and then just raising here the quote commenting to display. And then now I can create a new data frame using Spark SQL. The next step would be using Spark to do the same thing that we've done before. The first one would be to take the duplicates out of our data frame. So df video games, and we can use here 2 different functions. The first one I'm going to be using, it's the distinct, and then parenthesis, and then if I hit Shift Enter, you guys will be able to see here again. I could use a different function for this also, and let me just write here for you guys. df video games, PySpark, same thing, and then now it's going to be receiving df video games, and now I'm going to be using drop duplicates. And then if we use this here, you'll be able to see that we're going to have the same results. Now for replacing the char. From PySpark, I'm just going to be importing the regex replace, and then recreating the df video games, and then now I can replace what? Essentially, colon now by 2 dashes here. So let me find here on the column name. Let me reorder this one here again, and you guys will be here. All right, so 007 instead of colon, you get now 2 dashes, and this is how you can do the all